Hi everyone, it's Donna here, and I wanted to come on today and show you what I've been working on this week. Um, I have been collecting over the years and have made some things that I used to use for centers of my flowers when I was making flowers. Mostly earrings, jewelry pieces, pendants, all kinds of things to put into jewelry. Into flower centers. I love these beaded earrings, the vintage beaded earrings. I have quite a collection of those. Plus, I have still a bunch of jewelry left over from my boyfriend's mother's estate that I was going to sell it on eBay, but this week or last weekend, I was looking through some of my older videos, and I came across some that I did when I was doing mixed media, and I kind of inspired myself. I don't know if that has happened to you before. You go through your old videos and you see something that you enjoyed at one point and you stop doing. Well, I decided to do a few pieces of mixed media with some of this stuff that I have collected, plus some of the jewelry pieces I've been going through. There's some over there. See if I can do this without stopping the camera. I've got more over there, a bunch of chains. So this is what I've been working on, this week. I made a few mixed media kind of bouquets, I guess, out of some of the jewelry pieces, some of the chain, some of the beads that came off of jewelry. This is a die cut that I have. I just started with some chipboard, heavyweight chipboard, covered it with paper. This one has music paper. This was my first one that I did, my prototype. And it just has all kinds of jewelry pieces. These are bead spacers, same with these little beads around there. Just layers and layers. These are bead spacers at the end of, I guess this was part of a bracelet, I think. Just little beads for the leaves and all different chains. So that was the first one. And then there's this one here. The flower vase is an earring, a couple of layers of earrings. And then this is a little collage that I did years ago. And I was making necklaces out of these. It's just a little collage of all different tiny, tiny pieces. There's a earring. These are bead spacers around it. I made this little bling piece. This is part of a necklace, an earring, a little dragonfly. There's another either earring or a brooch. So that was the second one. The music paper, well, I like it. I think it was a little bit too busy. So this time I used some script paper in the background. You can see the script back there. I think I like that better. And then this is the third piece I did. This one has this was a pendant, really pretty, brightly colored. An earring, another earring, different chains. I'm not sure what that was, but it's very dimensional. This is another one of my little collages that I did years ago, and a little dragonfly. And then I have, this is the start of the next one. It's on chipboard with paper on top of it. And I've got the vase and the flowers started. So I will continue with this and put chains, different chains to connect them and find something to use for the leaves. So that's what I've been working on this week. I really enjoyed doing this. Again, I used to really love doing mixed media. I'll put a link down below to a few of my, few of the videos that I did previously. a couple of tutorials and a couple of show and tells of my mixed media things. I have tons of jewelry left. I have maybe 7 or 8 gallon size bags of jewelry. I was going to sell it on eBay, and if there isn't any more, and I have sold, back at the beginning of this year, I sold a bunch of it to you guys, but I still have a lot left. I kept everything that was like wearable, thinking I was going to sell it on eBay, but I don't know. Now that I'm starting mixed media again, I might hang on to it. But if anybody's interested in a grab bag of mixed jewelry pieces, let me know, and tell me what your budget is and how much you're interested in, and maybe I can do some grab bags in one of my next videos. Not this coming video. This coming video is going to be a continuation of the linens on Saturday at 1 p.m. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about my little mixed media vases. And that's it for today. Bye for now.